इसमें Sangya was the daughter of Vishwakarma and was married to Surya. Then she
Hmm.
lacked the power to put up with the fierce heat of Surya. And
Hmm.
then she once went into the forest to perform tapas after creating her chaya form
Hmm.
to serve her husband.
Hmm.
And then Sangya left her three sons, Manu, Yama, and Yami, also in the charge of Chaya. Surya took her to be his wife and started living with her. और उसको पता भी नहीं चलता है. And then Chaya once got angry at Yama and cursed him. And that's when Surya got to know that how can a mother curse her own child. And
Hmm.
that's when Surya got to know that maybe Chaya is not. And then his suspicion started.
Yeah.
And then Surya then called Sangya and then asked her, how is this possible? Then she stayed silent. Actually, he was talking to Chaya.
Hmm.
Then Chaya stayed silent, and then Surya said that how could she curse her own son? And then
Hmm.
Sangya shared the whole story.
Hmm.
Sorry, not Sangya. Chaya shared the whole story.
Yeah.
But and then Surya felt very sad at this separation from his wife, and he closed his eyes, and by the power of his meditation he got to know that Sangya was doing tapas in the forest in the guise of a mare with
Hmm.
the intention to reduce his heat. And then
Hmm.
Surya went to Vishwakarma, father of Sangya, and requested him to reduce his heat. After having done so by Vishwakarma's blessing, he assumed the form of a horse again and went to meet Sangya in the forest. And they stayed there for a while. There, from the mare, and obviously they mated, and the two Kumaras, whom we call as Ashwini Kumara and Revanta, was born. The Ashwini Kumaras were named Satya and Dasra.
Hmm.
And Surya became very happy with Sandhya, blessed her with boons. She asked blessing for her son Manu to get the highest position, Yama to be free of the curse, and Yami to bless the earth as river.